Well, we have great ties not only between our countries but also between our people. And for a long time there have been Swedish Macedonian societies in Sweden. There are 12 clubs in Sweden and Association of Macedonian Clubs. But we haven't had any similar thing here in Macedonia. And as our ties between our countries are now growing more and more intensive, there is a need also to have a sort of friendship society here in Macedonia. So a lot of people have turned to the embassy and asked if I could be the host of a founding meeting for a Macedonian-Swedish Friendship Society, and that meeting will take place here today. So the embassy is not the founder of it, I'm just the host of the meeting, but I'm happy to see that many prominent Macedonians have come here, and there's a large delegation of Macedonians living in Sweden who have come here also for this first meeting.